the park, I guess, or what do they call it? That's right where the surf.
Purple in the center with the white look like sea urchins.
Sea urchin. Whoa. That's cool. Oh yeah. Whoa.
I think it's boy David Wilbur. Another sound.
Sound is amazing.
Isn't that beautiful? Look at this one. Moon and flowers.
What's a Saturn?
They're like flowers.
Wow. Yeah, that's a flower. That's a perfect flower.
Stunning. Oh, look at this beautiful white
Sorry,
Just kidding.
a couple of days
I know, it's a little too soon.
Where are you going? You can come back.
No, it's okay, sorry. Oh, wow. Look at the water. Oh, yes, you can see the water now.
Water.
You can see the water. Wow.
Do they do this at New Year's or anything like that?
Oh, I don't know.
Wow, that is some show.
The water's really calm
Yeah.
from
there's
earlier. Like, I